Clean the stove, a simple guide to everyday English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common household phrase, clean the stove. This video will break down what it means, how to use it in a sentence, and some cultural context to help you understand this phrase better. Clean the stove is a straightforward phrase used in everyday English. It means removing dirt, grime, or food spills from a stove. A stove is a kitchen appliance used for cooking, so it often gets dirty during the cooking process. The phrase is commonly used in households around the world. Now, let's see how to use clean the stove in a sentence. Here are a few examples. 1. After cooking dinner, I always clean the stove to keep the kitchen tidy. 2. Could you please clean the stove? There are some spills from last night's cooking. 3. I make it a weekend chore to thoroughly clean the stove and other appliances. These examples show different ways the phrase can be used in daily conversations. In many cultures, cleaning the stove is part of regular kitchen maintenance. It's not just about cleanliness but also safety, as a dirty stove can be a fire hazard. When living in English-speaking countries or in shared living spaces, understanding and using this phrase can be helpful for effective communication about household chores. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, clean the stove, better. Remember, learning these everyday phrases can greatly improve your conversational English. Stay tuned for more practical English language tips, and don't forget to practice what you've learned today. Happy learning!